So today's video is based on the topic insertion at end of the circular single linked list. Okay, so first of all we will name the function as insert end. Then we will call the function create node. Create node of circular single linked list is totally same as that of only single linked list. So that is already discussed in my one of the previous video. The link is given in the description box. You can go through it. Okay, then we will set one pointer temp which will help us to traverse the entire list. So we will set one pointer temp at the beginning, that is starting of our list, that is at the first node. Okay, then the while loop will check, that is temp next not equals to start. It will check that whether the next pointer is pointing to whom. So here the next pointer is pointing to the node whose address is 2000. So at this case this condition is true. So here set temp is equal to temp next will be executed and temp will move to our next node whose address is 2000. Okay, then again it will check temp next not equals to start. Yeah, this time also this condition is true because our next node is pointing, because the next pointer is pointing to our next node whose address is 3000. So here again set temp is equal to temp next and temp will move to the next node whose address is 3000. Okay, then again this will be executed, temp next not equals to start. This time what will happen is that it will check in the next part, it is pointing to our starting node. Starting node, that means our first node whose address is 1000. So this time this condition is false, while condition is false. So the while loop will stop executing and it will come out of the loop. Okay, so this statement will be executed. Set temp next is equal to nptr. So here what will happen is that temp next, instead of storing the address 1000, now it will store the address 4000 which is the address of our new node, that is nptr. Okay, and then it will point to the new node nptr and no more point to this node, that is the starting node. Okay, then again set nptr next is equal to start. So here what will happen, so now nptr became our last node. So nptr next, when it was created, by default next pointer was storing null, but after this statement, that is nptr next is equal to start, it will store the address of our first node. Okay, address of our first node, that is 1000, and this nptr from last it will point to our first node. So from last it is connected back with the first node. Okay, it will connect back with the first node. Okay, and after that it will, that is exit. Okay, so thus the new node nptr is inserted at the end of our circular single linked list. Okay, so see, after insertion this list will be visible in this way. Okay, so this when you see this diagram you will be much clear. Okay, so this was the end of today's video. Soon I'll be coming with more conceptual videos. Till then, stay gold, stay safe, keep learning, and please like, share, comment, subscribe my channel. Thank you.